Let's dive into a digital platform built to strengthen disability trusts and care centers. Your work is driven by a mission, right? A really deep commitment to care. And that's why having a strong operational structure is so absolutely critical.
But let's be honest, many crucial tasks still happen on paper registers.
Or maybe with Excel sheets and, just informal chats here and there. So you have to ask, is this really the strongest foundation for governance and care? This is where SFDP comes in. It offers a powerful yet simple solution.
First up, digital registers. Think of them as a reliable backbone for everything you do.
And what's amazing is how they immediately make an impact across all your core departments.
You can see it's built for the real world. Super easy to use, no IT degree needed. Which means your team can focus on their actual mission, providing excellent care. Okay, once daily tasks are digitized, we can really boost security and access control. I mean, the difference is just night and day. You get real safety and a full history. So why are leaders like you making the switch? Let's get into it. It's simple. It's built for governance, it's easy to adopt, and it respects your mission. But what's the big picture here? Well, it's really a total operational transformation. It just builds this deep foundation of confidence so everyone can focus on what matters. So, the real question is, are you ready to build that powerful foundation of trust?